It's day 5 on the inaugural sailing of the Icon of the Seas, and today we are in the port of Charlotte Amalie in St. Thomas, but we're only here till 1:30 p.m. so let's see what we can do. Okay, y'all, so I'm up. We're in St. Thomas today. I got off the port, well, I got off at the port a little bit, trying to find a Sephora and couldn't find one. And then I realized I didn't have my debit card, so I couldn't even take a cab to get to somewhere else to buy makeup. So I'm back on the ship. I got my debit card now, but first, before I do anything, we're gonna go to Central Park. And excuse me, we're gonna go to Central Park and hit Central Park Cafe because we haven't eaten there yet. So let's go. At Surfside Eatery. We have eaten here an unhealthy amount of times on this cruise.
Why is it gonna be an unhealthy amount of time?
Because we literally are here every day. It's a thing. There's so many other options, but we eat here every day. But it is a good spot. It's a good buffet. I actually prefer it over Windjammer. So I got some pork sausage, some tater tots, some eggs, and a muffin, French toast sticks, bacon, and some mushrooms. I'm probably not gonna eat all of it, but that's okay. So at this point, I've already been off the ship once and couldn't find what I needed. Now Ray decides to get off the ship, and unfortunately, he also can't find what he needs. So his time off the ship was very short, just like mine. All right, so getting off in St. Thomas was a little bit of a fail. Did you find what you were looking for?
Nope, I got confused. I was like, where's all the stuff I saw the last time?
Right. So, yeah, I didn't find what I was looking for either. But we're back on board now. I'm getting some lunch. I'm finally trying the Mediterranean spot that's at the Aquadome market, which I've heard is really, really good. So I got a chicken pita here and some rice. RJ has his crepes that he is falling in love with. You like the crepes?
How does it taste?
Oh my God.
Is it good?
Oh my God, really?
I'm just saying, like, is it good? We are on our way to a special invite for the Park West Art Gallery show. They invited me and RJ, and so we're on our way. It's going to be on deck 6 at the attic. RJ, you ready?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited, though. We get to get free art. We get to get free refreshment and be a part of something that's new. I love art. RJ, I think he's starting to get kind of get into art, so it's going to be a cool thing. See you guys in a few. All right, everybody, we actually passed the place we had to go to. It's going to be at the Attic, which is the comedy club here on Royal Caribbean, Icon of the Seas. Can anybody tell me what movie this guy is from? How you doing? Good, and yourself? This is some of the art they have on display. Oh, look at this. I like that. Wow. This is beautiful in here. y'all, so we are back from the art auction. I tried to tell Kiki that we bought some, but she didn't buy it. Nice piece of art, of course, because you go to the VIP event, instead of paying $9,000 for it, it was only going to be $6,300. I really wanted that art piece, but I knew that was definitely not in the budget, so we didn't get it. But I'll put a picture with this so you can see what it is. I couldn't get too close because it's a artist's actual work, so you couldn't really show it. Tomorrow, I think we'll try to go tomorrow at about 1 o'clock. That way we can get the free piece of art, because we're supposed to get a free piece of art as well, me and RJ. So we will check it out. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.
All right, you guys, so it's time for us to go do some more water activities. We've changed into our swimwear and we're gonna go hang out at the pool. Maybe hit a water slide or something. I don't know, we'll see. But we're getting out this room because we've been in this room all day. Kinda, sorta.
We've been working.
So it is day 5 of the cruise, and it's actually my first time making it to Loco Fresh, Loco Fresh. It's a taco spot that's on board Royal Caribbean ships. Honestly, it's not my favorite Mexican spot, but I mean, it's tacos, so or nachos, whatever you decide. But I heard there's also like a kind of Mexican themed bar in this area, so I'm probably gonna go try to get a drink from there too. So we're still here on day 5. It is evening time. We just got off of a live stream, so shout out to everybody that came to that live. Thank you for hanging out with us. We told you on the live that we were going to the party, the hush party, but we went back to the app and the hush party was not there anymore. So now we're gonna go to the Friendly Feud, I believe is what it's called. It's at Absolute Zero, which is on deck 6 aft, and we deck 6 aft, and that's where we're headed to. RJ looks so cute in his all white. I have my white on too. My go-to all white for every cruise.
Ooh. Oh, I'm married.
Surfside looks amazing out there. Just beautiful, well lit. I love it.
Name a sport that doesn't use a ball. Ooh, that was very quick.
Gymnastics.
Gymnastics. Survey says, oh, a sport that doesn't use a ball.
Hockey.
Hockey. Yes. What are we doing? Playing? Okay, it worked so good for you last time. All right, go ahead. Show me cheer, or they might be going for a beer. Please, tracks. We come over here, we need one answer. One answer. Are you ready? Are you happy with it?
Yes. We're gonna go with swimming.
Swimming! If swimming is up there, you are winners of our first game. Show me swimming for the win!
Yo, we are going to the main dining room to get something to eat for our my time dining tonight. 8:45. So here we are, and let's go get something to eat. Let's go.
And there's a man in the toilet. That's cool.
I called that man an old guy because he was like, oh, thank you, buddy. I do it.
Right.
I do it.
You look like you only play the karaoke to do Frank Sinatra song.
Even that old, he got a contract he got to fulfill.
Something. What?
I always think that say bologna.
Bolognese. These are the corn cakes. They came on, looks like eggplant. Let's try them and see how they are. RJ got his chicken strips already. Ray is tearing up his shrimp cocktail. I got a shrimp cocktail coming too, I think. I should. Y'all, the corn cake is so good. I'm making Ray try it now because I think he'll like it too.
That's pretty good.
My salmon looks really good. The chili lime rub salmon, or chili crusted salmon. Ray ordered some of the corn cakes because they were so good. You should eat the eggplant too.
No, thanks. I don't know.
You don't know what to expect, huh? We don't know what to expect. We never done it before, so we'll see how it goes.
And make some noise.
Woo!
Okay, all right. I see you making some noise over here, sir. I see you by the pole. Team captains, I need to see your team members in the air. For this quest, I need to see a lady with a tattoo in an unusual place. This is the best one. I think Team 2 was the best one. And then we had, oh boy, that was like, okay. Oh my, okay. Whoop, there it is. Sing along song of the night. The name of the song is Footloose. I need to see 6 individual shoelaces out of the shoes. Out of the shoes. 6 shoelaces. This quest is... Oh.
Living on a prayer.
This quest is closed.
Now I've been waiting on this moment.
For this quest, I need to see Team Captain Guy showing me a sock with a hole in it. A sock with a hole. For this quest, I need to see your team number in hand, and I need to see a lady showing me a thong. A lady showing me a thong. Lady showing me a thong. Okay, like, oh my god, Team 1. Oh, Team 2. Team 8, that's what I was looking for. Team 5, oh my god, thank you, Team 3. Inspect to make sure. Don't. Would you like to? 2 minutes. 2 minutes to transform this mean, tough, bad guy into Miss Icon of the Seas. You've got 2 minutes on the clock. Make him look pretty. No heels. No heels. Stay in the shoe. Okay. And on the other side, too. Here we go.